My dishwasher dw80k7050US will not drain. I check all the drains, replace the pump, and it still won't Cain. It is 16 months old.
How long have you had your dw80k7050US?
16 months.
What have you tried so far?
New pump, check all hoses.
Anything else you want the electronics expert to know before I connect you?
New pump, check all hoses.
Hello, my name is stated you check the hoses. Did you use a vacuum and ensure proper airflow through the hose?
I made sure pipe were clear.
Did you recently put in a new garbage disposal?
No. Ear been working fine for 16 months.
There is a part under the sump area that would stop it from draining. I would need you to take out the bottom rack, remove the entire sump area, release like 20 Phillips screws. Make sure you take a picture or notes to know where everything goes. Let me know when you have all that off.
What is the name of the part? I'm not working on it now, I'm going out to eat.
It's a check valve or sorts. It's directly next to the pump but inside the sump area. If that's broken or loose, it would cause the unit not to drain. It's a small round rubber part. The last part it would be. Okay, let me know when you're back.
Do you look at the model I have? I will need to flip the dishwasher over to get that out.
No, you won't. The part I'm telling you about is in the sump. It won't work properly if it's under the sump.
Okay, I try that in the morning.
There's an area I circled on that link, that's the area I want you to look at. I can't find that check valve on the parts list, but it may be included with the sump assembly. I can't yet find a parts breakdown for everything in that sump. It's a small black rubber piece that's in almost every Samsung dishwasher I've worked on. You have to remove that plastic housing first to see it. If you also look to the left, I pointed to the pump so you have a better idea where that area is located.
I see the check value now. WLL, that must slide out? Or do I need to do something to remove it?
If I remember correctly, it's a hex screw. This is what that part may look like. https://www.repairclinic.com/part-details/check valve DD6600045A/2134428. TLSID equals 1779 and ref equals 611198 and GCLID equals CJ0Q07 Faber 8 Aricity 2 WMN2NX8 WN UJ 4 NVN CF Rakochsk Sopt MQ Stat of 0 well _WCB.
I do not see any screws on that check valve, I see screws on the outside only.
The plastic cover? There's no screw there? Then it should slide up and out.
It doesn't want to just pop up, it used a screwdriver to get some leverage but it won't move.
I can't find that part sold separately, but it wouldn't be the first time Samsung or LG dishwashers require you to buy the sump assembly to get certain parts. Based off the picture, it should definitely slide up and out.
If it does slide up, then I don't have to take out all the screws around the bottom?
Wait, you didn't remove all the screws and remove the sump plate?
I have removed the screws yet, do I need to do that?
Yes, when we were initially talking I told you it had about 20 screws that you had to remove before you accessed that part. That part will not come out without the plate completely off.
Okay, I see about 8 screws.
Yes, when we were initially talking I told you it had about 20 screws, exaggerating, that you had to remove before you access that part. That part will not come out without the plate completely off.
I remove all the screws but it will not move. The stainless on the bottom does not allow it to come out of the hole.
Can you take a picture, a zoomed picture of that area and send it to me? I can't find a better picture of it. If that area is blocked it will not drain, that's the exit point for the drain pump.
How do I send the picture since your text will not let me respond?
You'd have to save the picture to your PC in a file and send it in this chat by clicking the paperclip. It's next to the BIU right above this chat box.
Here they are.
Behind the tip is there a small indent? You may have to push the tip forward and then pull. It may be stuck. If not, then that piece doesn't come apart and you would need the sump assembly. You can get a shot vac and suck that area and take something that will fit in between the cracks and see if you can feel for debris. If that's clear, the last thing it could be is either you're not getting 110V to the pump or the geared motor that changes the mode from wash to drain. DD3100013D is the part number. This is the description: motor geared, SSM23H, 3 RPM, AC 120V, 45 MA, 3R.
Okay, I've been at this for a while, thank for you help. I hot the piece up, but all I feel is an impeller behind it.
Okay, make sure to check 110 volts at the pump, and if that's good then you need to order that other motor. Sometimes I've moved the little white piece off and put it back on and it's cycled on its own. Maybe try that and see if it may be stuck. If not, order that motor. You would have to pull it out and tilt it back to change that motor.
I just tried a cup of water and it worked.
It's draining now? I have often gone on jobs and took everything apart and reinstalled it and it works. You may have cleared an obstruction or done something that fixed it. Either way, I am glad I could help. If I have answered your question, hit the rate button in this chat. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. If I have answered your question, please hit the rate button that's in this chat. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Thank you. Do you need help with anything else?
No, I just need to wait until I get the part you recommend.
Okay. Anytime you message me, I will get a notification.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.